having trouble connecting Bluetooth devices to your Samsung Galaxy S26 series? Whether your phone won't pair, keeps disconnecting, can't find devices, or your audio keeps cutting out, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to fix Bluetooth issues on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. The good news? Most of these issues are software-related and easy to fix. First, restart your phone. This sounds simple, but it fixes many temporary glitches. Just press and hold the power and volume down buttons. Tap Restart, tap again, and wait for your phone to reboot. Once it turns back on, try connecting your Bluetooth device again. Next, turn Bluetooth off and back on. Swipe down to open Quick Settings. Tap Bluetooth to turn it off. Wait about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Then try pairing again. If your phone can't find your device, make sure the device itself is in pairing mode. Whether it's earbuds, a speaker, or your car system, it needs to actively search for a connection. Also, keep it close to your phone and make sure it's not already connected to another device. Many Bluetooth accessories can only connect to one phone at a time. If you're still having trouble, try forgetting and repairing the device. Go to Settings, then Connections, then Bluetooth. Tap the gear icon next to the device and select Unpair. Then reconnect it from scratch. This refreshes the connection profile and often fixes random disconnections. If Bluetooth keeps dropping, reset your Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, tap General Management, then Reset. Tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings, and tap Reset Settings to confirm the reset. Keep in mind this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so you'll need to reconnect everything afterward. But this is one of the most effective fixes. You should also check for software updates. Go to Settings, tap Software Update, tap Check for Updates, and tap Download and Install if an update is available. Samsung often releases updates that fix Bluetooth bugs and improve stability. If the issue continues, try clearing the Bluetooth cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps. You can't find Bluetooth app here. Enable Show System Apps. Find Bluetooth, tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. Restart your phone afterward. Battery settings can also cause problems. Go to Settings, then Battery, and check background usage limits. Make sure Bluetooth-related apps aren't restricted. Another useful step is booting into safe mode. Press and hold the power button, tap and hold power off, then select safe mode. Test Bluetooth there. If it works fine in safe mode, a third-party app is likely causing interference. You'll need to uninstall recently installed apps. If nothing works, your last option is a factory reset. Make sure you back up your data first. Then go to Settings, General Management, Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Tap Reset. Unlock your phone. Tap Delete All. This completely resets your phone's software. You should contact Samsung support. If Bluetooth won't turn on at all, you see constant Bluetooth keeps stopping errors, or the problem continues even after a factory reset. That could indicate a hardware issue. In most cases, Bluetooth issues on the Galaxy S26 series are easy to fix. A simple restart or network reset usually solves the problem. Follow these steps carefully, and your Bluetooth connection should be working smoothly again.